Altona Beach. Yeah. So nawaron sa Altona Bay. Kanang nag-anhiman si Laura. Hitch ko diya sa sakinan. Aday ko sa beach. Ito kayong beach walk na ito. Makita na ito. Straight na ito ang beach niya. Kanang ilang gikuan ng kasada nga rin. Murag ilang gi-close ba. And I'm having my breakfast here. Coffee and that. So, yeah. Maing buntag. Maing buntag. So natakaron sa Altona Beach, and that's the boardwalk. Yep, but I don't have time to go to the boardwalk. BISAYA BAI. So it's a very long jetty. Layo kay dito ba? Anyway, I'm just gonna head out here and yeah. Mag-body board sila tugnaw kayo suga. So yeah, it's a long way there. I'm just gonna need to go the other side. So muna siya bay, padung na ko skate ngadto sa akong padulungan. So niani kong sayo kay kanang si Laura ni anhiman niya, hitch na lang ko niya padung nga ba. And then nag-breakfast ko nga rin and ako rin sa boardwalk, and I'm planning to go to a place nga kanang pantulod o place na kayo padulungan nga lugar nga akong kuwaon ang kanang wala ko sa self balik distracted ba. Yan to kong place karon nga mato ko sir kuha na kayo kuwaon nga flash nga guba niya akong ayuhon. So una siya ang atong plano for today. It's a 30-minute skateboard ride, but I'm fine. Hindi na mag-bike, but I like to do skateboard. Look at the trees at the side, nice kind of. And yeah, again ako sa Altona Beach, a lot of people here walking, karon sila nagalakaw, and a lot of them jogging, biking. Ako naga-skateboard kay lang. It's gonna be a 30-minute ride, so let's see how this goes. Anyway, mura na siya. Skate na tabay. Out na map. So yeah, this is the beach. And you got trees. Yeah. So I'm running slow, but learner car. I'm just going slow, easy. So bay, ang atong biyahe karon is a 10-kilometer ride, 26 minutes. So muna siya. So let's go. So at the moment bay sulod tago sa ka-park. Dito sa nga park eh. Yeah. It's like a pretty big park. It's like a dog park. So I can see some dogs there inside. Na-trained sila, ginapalakaw. So yeah, very big dog park. I think I've been here before na may client na nag-shoot na rin with their dogs. So there's that. But yeah, kita ko siyang place na ikural siya. There's a dog beach here somewhere also. I think I've been. But yeah, I just hope kaninga daan kari kanang sementado puro kay kung nagay park kani sementado patay ko. Oh yeah, nasa shortcut. Nasa shortcut niya pero sementado skilled. So I'm safe. Yeah. A lot of bikers here. And morning bikes, it's nice. Anyway, what a shot. So I'm just gonna enjoy the ride for now. And yeah. So there's 100 Steps Park, Altona Beach Playground, and yeah, let's go. Oh yes, there's the bridge. We're gonna cross that bridge. I love this sign here. The bridge is made of wood, so we're gonna have problems with it. But yeah. I know this is not a good idea, but it's the only way to get through. So let's see how we go. Yeah, this is not a good idea. Not a good idea. So, muto siya. Agi siya kahoy, okay ra. Basta dili lang baas. Kay kung baas, si kwati ta. Muna siya. Anyway, it's also noisy still. Kaya ang road is not paved. Oh, crossroads. Let's check the map. Check the map. So, there's that. Morning. Yeah, it's a nice ride up here. Nice for bikes also. I mean, there's things out there you can go through. Morning. Oh fuck. It's crazy. You can park your car there. Sure ganina park. Whoa. Ganina park. Anyway. Oh, that's nice there. Oh shit. Heading all the way up there. Nice. The hills are alive in the sound of music. Where do I go here? Yeah. Big open field here. Made really big. People just walk here. Amazing. See people coming here on bikes and everything. So yeah. Oh shit, here we are again. Shit, pretty scary. Fuck. Field here. Oh, nice photo. I stopped by here. Maintenance. I can see here's some cracking on the wheels. I think it's not lubricated properly at the moment. But yeah, crossroads again. Yeah. So, murag need na ta mag-maintenance sa atong skate kay murag nagkuto-kuto na akong ligid. Anyway, out of nowhere. Good. It has a nice backyard with a good view here. And he has a flag. Nice morning there. That's fine. Yeah, houses here are houses. Look at that view. It's not the best, but yeah, still clear out there, and you have a good balcony. Pretty good view. Yeah. Naray lingkuranan nga to, di makita gamay, but makasambay lang ka ba? And yeah, let's go. Okay, the houses. Morning. There you go. A bit of water. Morning. Nice. So we're going all the way till we cross the creek again on the other side. So it's quite a bit longer ride. Yeah, it's quite a longer ride, but yeah, it's nice that I have an electric skateboard. It's quicker. I just need to check my batteries. Oh shit, I'm running low. I need to go fast and go directly to my destination before I run out of batteries. It says 1 bar, so like, yeah, I'll be fucked if I run out of batteries. It's gonna be bad. Oh, look at that house. Yeah. Awesome. Yeah, so my skateboard is saying it's like a 1.5 battery out of 4, and I think I'm gonna run out of batteries in a few. So yeah, it's gonna be daunting. But check out that house. Oh shit. Yan, nag-English ko. Sabo, Bisaya man din akong vlog yung iparta. So, muna siya. Low bat na ko, 1.5 ng battery. So, I need to like conserve. I'm not conserving energy na. This battery is gone old. So, murag palit na siya muli, my low bat. Anyway. Yeah, let's just ride. Okay, I'm just wishing this bridge is not wooden. I love wooden bridges, but that's much better. Yeah, it's much better. So akong gitry record akong track, but the thing is wala na ko press ang record. So wala siya mag-record, wala siya mag-start ang track. Anyway, sayang. I wanna do it again. Ganahan ako balikon, but it's like 10 kilometers and I have only 1 bar sa akong skateboard, so I don't wanna be like punta battery in the middle of the trip. So yeah, there's that. Anyway, I just gotta go. I'm near Point Cook Wetlands, and the thing is yeah, I have to cross this road here to get through there to get across the street. So let's go. Morning. Crossing the freeway. My skateboard's running low. Labang pa sa freeway like shit. Kanya ang akong baterya gamay na lang. Okay, so we arrive at aircraft station. Oops. Hello. It's okay. Just in time. Nice and stationary aircraft station. Mura siya kawanon, but it's a good thing I'm in the station already. And hasta tumaki. May ramp. There's a ramp. Malapit na tayo. Parang di ko kapa sa train. But yeah. I'm at the ramp right now, and I think I can't get through the train on time. But yeah. Okay, let's go. There's a ramp. Let's use the ramp. So good. Pushing it. We're on low battery. Pushing it. Yeah. Going up. Yeah, heading close to Bryce's place. Skateboarding. I've seen the graffiti over there, but does it look nice? Yeah. It's gonna look small, but I've seen the graffiti before. Yeah, it does not look nice. So nagkita mi ni Bryce, pero nakalimtan akong video nga nagkita mi. Next time na lang. Hakoy, na-busy ta Bryce, storya, tabian gi ko. Saka. Oh shit, that was close. Station. It's been a while, mate. Yeah. Taon-taon ako Calic City. So, nabit na pa na nito. Nagigi. So, bye. Muna ni siya. Hapon na. Niadto kong syudad ganina. Nagkikita ko ni Bryce. Pagumana ko kanang skate, and then wala na akong ma-video. Went to Digidirect to see Mark, and also to Brad. Kitagahan ako sila mainom. Wala gyapon ako video kay na ko. Nakita mi Bryce kadto na mali-check mga gears. Wala gyapon ako video. But anyway, yeah, I'm good for the day. Wala na ko yung new content. I'm not really feeling like making a content right now. I need to edit some stuffs. Kapoy sad ko. But di ko ka-focus. So what I do is I'm gonna go out and wait, what's wrong with this? So di ko ka-focus. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just gonna have my kanang mga botilya nako, 10 cents nga palisdan ako. So yeah, nilapas mo tingali ko. Wala ko malapas sakto ra. Libog ko. So like, yeah, I'm gonna have my empty bottles pa 10 cents ko ni, pailisdan na tong 10 cents, and taon to pili mahalin. Other than that, wala na ko'y content for today. I'm contented with my content kasi wala ko sa mindset. And yeah, dito ko kung Digidirect, dito ko city, nag-train ko pa nung uli. Had a long day, had a good skateboard session. Kanang kuanto siya, it's like 9.8 kilometers. Naka-apan lang, wala lagi na akong ma-record sa akong relo. Marang kung gulay ng sulti, nag-decap na pala ko eh. Anyway, see you tomorrow. see you tomorrow, or see you whenever we can. Cheers guys. Ay, one more thing di ay, before I forget, I'm using the Action 4 and ganina ang gamit ako Action 5 Pro. So if you can see the difference, and also I'm using the Lark M2S transmitter, mag-clip na siya nga transmitter. Doesn't record pero na siya option nga USB-C, and I like this transmitter. I don't know kung say audio ani ko. Ang gana ko sa Lark M2, but ang kaning M2S gamay man siya, so this should be good. I don't know, we'll see. We'll see. But ganahan ko niya kay handy, kay hindi siya mahagtak ba. Clip na siya dyan, hindi siya maklaro. Because people these days like magunit-gunit ng mga transmitter, magbutag mga magnet na magkaila kayo, mga transmitter sad like DJI and Grow, nagkuking mga pangalan nila, marketing kayo. Like these microphones should be ano ta, di maklaro ba, kanang hidden. They put big logos, marketing. Pisti. Anyway, hilom na kayo, sige lagyaw-yaw. See you tomorrow guys. Magtuka sa kugamay. Di bagay na mo see you tomorrow. So see you tomorrow.